Glimpses of Modern Science, Class 7. Chapter 16 Water, a Precious Resources. Water and its availability. Water is a renewable and precious natural resource essential for the survival of humans, animals, and plants. It also provides habitat for many organisms and is used daily for drinking, cooking, washing, agriculture, and industries. About 71% of Earth's surface is covered with water, but 97.4% is in oceans and seas, unfit for direct use due to salts. Only about 0.006% of Earth's total water is fresh and usable, making it extremely valuable for our everyday needs. Different states of water. Water exists in 3 states: ice, solid, water, liquid, and steam, gas. All forms are made of hydrogen oxide molecules. At 0 degrees Celsius, water freezes into ice. At ordinary temperature, it is liquid. Above 100 degrees Celsius, it becomes steam. These states are interchangeable. Ice melts into water, water freezes into ice, water boils into steam, and steam cools back into water, condensation. Evaporation changes water into vapor at all temperatures, faster with heat. This continuous change among solid, liquid, and gas maintains the total water on Earth, forming the water cycle, essential for life. Water cycle. Water from oceans, rivers, lakes and ponds etc. gets evaporated due to atmospheric heat. A lot of evaporation of water also takes place due to factories and thermal power stations. Plants absorb water from soil. They use very little amount of it for their body formation and photosynthesis. The excess of water is transpired to atmosphere through stomata in their leaves. Animals use water for drinking. The excess water in animals is excreted by urine, fecal matter into nature. This water from the earth reaches the atmosphere and from there it ultimately comes back to earth in the form of rains. This is called water cycle or hydrological cycle. Groundwater is an important source of water. Groundwater is the water that seeps through soil into spaces between rocks beneath the Earth's surface, forming the water table. As it passes through sand and rocks, it gets naturally filtered, free from suspended impurities but may contain dissolved salts like calcium and magnesium. Rainfall is the main source of groundwater. Water infiltrates into the ground and collects in aquifers, which store and provide water. It is extracted through wells, hand pumps, and tube wells. Continuous overuse lowers the water table, drying wells. Hard, impermeable rock beneath prevents water from seeping further. Depletion of water table. Depletion means reduction or lowering of the water table. Groundwater is recharged mainly by rainwater seepage, but poor rainfall and human activities cause its depletion. Factors responsible. 1. Increase in population. More houses, roads, and buildings reduce open areas for seepage, while construction needs more water, lowering the water table. 2. Increase in industries. Industries use large amounts of groundwater, raising demand. 3. Agricultural activities. Farmers use groundwater for irrigation when rainfall or canals are insufficient, causing excessive use. 4. Deforestation. Cutting trees reduces seepage, leading to groundwater depletion. Water management. Water is wasted through leaking pipes, taps, excessive use in bathing, washing, brushing, and by rainwater flowing into drains. Proper management is needed to save this resource. Methods. 1. Rainwater harvesting. Collecting and storing rainwater through percolation pits and recharge wells to increase groundwater. 2. Drip irrigation. Supplying water directly to plant roots through pipes with holes, reducing water use in farming. 3. Revival of baris, restoring traditional rainwater reservoirs. Role of individuals. Turn off taps, repair leaks, mop floors instead of washing, recycle water, and use water judiciously while brushing or bathing. Effect of water scarcity on plants. Plants need water to get nutrients from the soil. Green plants prepare their food by photosynthesis using carbon dioxide and water in presence of sunlight. What happens to plants when there is not enough water for them? If the plants do not get sufficient water for a few days, they undergo wilting and ultimately dry up. In this way, the green character of the earth will be in danger or lost. This would mean the end of all life. Without plants, there would be no food, no oxygen and no enough rains in the world.